Hi everyone, I'm Maricho Petrosky. Don't forget to visit our website for more recipes. For today's video, we are going to make ube or Purple Yam cupcakes. Let's combine the dry ingredients. Sift 1 3/4 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, a teaspoon of baking soda, a teaspoon of kosher salt, and 1½ cups of sugar. Sift them into the stand mixer bowl. We will use the wire whip attachment to mix the dry ingredients. Mix them until well combined. Then set them aside for later use. In a measuring cup with ½ cup of canola oil, add 2 large eggs. Whisk until well combined. Then add 1½ cups of buttermilk and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Whisk again until well incorporated. Let's go ahead and set the stand mixer to medium speed. Slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry mixture. Increase the speed to mix well. The consistency must be smooth and have no lumps. When the batter is formed, add in 12 ounces of purple yam pudding or jam. Give it a good mix until well incorporated. Set the speed to medium-high to mix well. The cream color batter will start to change into purple. Make sure to pause and scrape it with a spatula to break off the lumps of flour that may form on the bottom. You may also add food coloring or purple yam extract to get the shades of purple that you want. I used the primary colors red and blue food coloring in gel form. Let's give it another mix until well combined. Then let's set the batter aside for later use. Place the muffin pans with cupcake liners. Slowly pour 3 tablespoons of the Ube Cupcake batter. I used a total of 28 cupcake liners. Let's bake these in a preheated oven for 25 to 30 minutes at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Remove from the oven and let it cool for 15 to 20 minutes. Now let's make the Swiss Meringue. In a heat-proof glass or mixing bowl, combine 4 egg whites, 3/4 cup of sugar, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and 1/4 teaspoon of cream of tartar. Give it a whisk until sugar has dissolved. The mixture will look sticky, slimy, and glossy. We will put this on top of steaming hot water. Whisk continuously until the texture turns into frothy consistency. You do not want the egg whites to cook, so continue to whisk. When the temperature has reached 165 degrees, slowly pour the mixture into the mixing bowl. Set the speed to medium and whisk. Slowly increase it to high. Continue mixing until medium peak forms. Then pour a teaspoon of vanilla extract. When stiff peak forms, add 1/4 of the blue and the red food coloring. I used primary colors blue and red food coloring in gel form. You may also use purple yam essence or extract if any. I used 2 different shades of purple. This is the lighter shade of purple. I divided this into 2 and added more food coloring to the other half. I whisked it again and this was the result. Adjust them to the shades of purple that you like. I placed them in a piping bag alternately and began piping my cupcakes. There you have it, my ube or purple yam cupcakes with Swiss meringue. Enjoy!